Welcome, today I am with Beat Studio Buds and I will show you how you can connect them with your Apple Watch. So at the first, we have to grab our buds, open case, and we have to move them to the pairing mode by clicking and holding this button. So let's make it right now and take a look on the indicator. When it starts blinking like that, you can release that button and then simply move to the Bluetooth settings on your Apple Watch. Next, you have to scroll down to the Bluetooth settings and enable Bluetooth by tapping on this switcher. After that, Beats will appear on the available devices list right here. So when you tap on them once, as you can see, after a few moments, it will be connected. And here, when you go for the information icon, you can disconnect them or forget. So that's how you can link these buds with your Apple Watch. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.